Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're learning about fractions and what they are. So fractions are part of a whole, and they're written as part over whole, which is also sometimes referred as numerator over denominator. And keep that in mind that the denominator should be bigger than the numerator at all times. If it isn't, then there's something called an improper fraction. And 2 4s, 4 8s, 2 3 8s, 4 6 10s are all examples of mixed numbers. And Zahra, I think you had a question?
Oh yeah, how do we convert an improper fraction to a mixed number?
So, an improper fraction to a mixed number, you say?
Yeah.
So, like 4 over 2 is an improper fraction. How you convert that to a mixed number? Well, it's really simple. You just divide the numerator by the denominator. So what is 4 divided by 2?
2.
So that is our mixed number. So let's say it was 5 over 2 instead. So now you would just divide 5 by 2, you would have a remainder of 1, right? So the answer would be 2. You put the remainder here and then put a 2 under it. So that's 2.5. That's where your remainder goes here. Okay? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Let's do some examples. Okay? Like the pizza. Let's say we have a pizza here. And Zahra, you eat 1/2 of it.
Okay.
So you ate 1/2. Can you please tell me how much would be left as a fraction?
Since we ate 1/2, there should be left 1/2 more. Because 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2, which is a whole.
That is correct. Now, let's say we have 4 tires, okay? And 2 of them are in working condition, and the other 2 are not, okay? Can you please tell me what is the fraction form of the ones that are in working condition? So these 2 are working. So how would you write that as a fraction?
3/4.
So like this?
Yeah.
No, that's not how it works. The denominator is correct, but the numerator isn't. There are 4 tires, and not 3 of them. There are 2. So we put what do we put?
Oh wait, I mean 2.
2?
Yeah.
No, that's all of them. So we
But you said 2 and 2. These are 2 and these are 2.
Oh,
So 2,
but
2.
I was saying the ones that are in working condition. So it's 2 over 4.
Oh,
Yep.
1/2 of it, like the
Yeah,
pizza.
it's the same thing. It's half of it. But if it was 3, then what would it be?
3/4.
Yeah, good job. You got it. Okay, now let's go to and we're basically done with fractions. That was all of it. It's very simple, you know.
Okay,
Thank you for watching. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and
Thank you.
bye.